of Sri Lanka, who happens to be another brother of the Sri Lankan president. When the Chief Justice of Sri Lanka protested, Shirani Bandaranaike, and said this was unconstitutional, she was summarily impeached. And when an international commission was supposed to visit Sri Lanka, they did not allow that commission to visit. Fourth, let an impartial inquiry be held into the charges of genocide and atrocities against the civilian Tamils by the Sri Lankan forces during the Elam War. And it should be an absolutely impartial inquiry with outsiders, people from the outside of Sri Lanka, so that the truth comes out. Next, number 5, let there be a clear commitment on the part of the Sri Lankan government that after the inquiry, the guilty shall be punished. Number 6, let India not merely vote in the UNHRC. Let India, sir, take the lead in drafting the resolution in the UNHRC. Because I read a statement somewhere, and perhaps the Prime Minister said it yesterday, that we look at the language of the resolution and then decide whether we shall vote for it or not. No, let India take the lead in drafting the language of that resolution. Yes, and carry it through the UNHRC. And finally, sir, very importantly, let India convey in no uncertain terms to the other nations in our neighborhood and to the world at large that any undue interference by them in the affairs of Sri Lanka or in India-Sri Lanka relationship will not be acceptable to India. We are always afraid of big brother China. China will replace it, China will do it. No, foreign policy is not conducted out of fear. Foreign policy is conducted out of confidence. And let that confidence inform the foreign policy and the neighborhood policy of the government of India. Sir, India is a country with a great deal of clout. But we seem to have lost that clout. We seem to have lost that momentum. And that is why these kinds of things are happening in our neighborhood. I hope there will be a debate in this House on what is happening in India's neighborhood someday. I don't want to take, you already have rung the bell. I don't want to take your time today on our neighborhood policy. But I'd like to say that when I assumed charge of the External Affairs Ministry from my distinguished colleague, Jaswant Singh Ji, and I went to seek the guidance of my Prime Minister, the respected Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee Ji. I said, what should I do? How should I proceed with my task? And the advice that he gave me was, please take care of our neighbors first. Before India ventures out into the world, our neighborhood must be friendly to India. And therefore, I, as Foreign Minister of India, my first visit was to Male. Sri Lanka was number 2.
वहाँ भी हालत खराब है.
वहाँ भी हालत खराब है. So let India conduct its foreign policy with confidence, with elan. There is a Urdu word called Iqbal.
इकबाल चला गया है इनका.
सरकारें इकबाल पर चलती हैं.
They have lost confidence completely.
हमारे इकबाल को क्या हो गया आज? What has happened to India's इकबाल?
मालदीव
that nobody even in our neighborhood is prepared to listen to us. It's a sorry state of affairs, but I hope the government will wake up to it. We have a young, very smart external affairs minister. I hope he will do his best to regain the clout that India seems to have lost. Thank you very much.